For step 2 of your deal form, you will need to set the parameters of your deal. We start off with the launch date. This is the launch date of your promotion, or when do you want your deal to be published. Then choose an end date. One general rule that applies for period of promotions published in DealShaker is that the promotion period can be equal to or more than 14 calendar days. This means that deal promotions need to stay published and active for at least 2 weeks. The delivery method is available in 3 options for now. Let's go briefly over each one of them. Self-organized shipping, which means that once a buyer purchases a coupon from you, he can use the contacts given in your merchant address to reach you, and you will have the responsibility to ship them the item or product. In-store pickup or redeem at location. Choose this option when you prefer that buyers or potential clients come to one of the merchant addresses you include in this deal. This is very appropriate for businesses that want to promote the opening of a new office, studio, shop, or other physical location. Online service. This option accommodates all who offer e-services or e-products, or maybe want to promote their website. However, keep in mind that you need to set clear terms of use for your deal coupons. If you are promoting a website, make sure you include it in the description of your deal, so potential buyers can visit it. The next field requires the full price, value of the deal in euro. Enter the amount in euro that clients would usually pay for your own or a similar product or service. The discount is not mandatory, so you can put a 0% in this field. However, if you put a discount percentage, you will see the discounted price or value of the deal in euro right underneath the percentage field shown in grey. After that, you need to set how many coupons you want to publish for sale. This field is not mandatory. However, we would strongly advise you to put a limitation to the coupons you are selling in order to control the traffic of people to your business. Deal coupon valid from to is how you set the time frame in which the deal coupons purchased for your deal can be redeemed and will be considered valid. This period can be a minimum of 2 weeks. After setting all other parameters of your deal promotion, it's time to set up the price of the deal in OneCoins plus euro. Price setup is really easy. You just need to drag the slider to adjust the percentage position of the deal in OneCoins. For the purposes of easier functioning of the website, the exchange rate of 1 to euro is fixed for DealShaker exclusively. So when you have to calculate how many ones that 50% of the deal is, it will be calculated automatically. DealShaker will not charge any advertising fee on the number of promotions published and administered through the platform. However, DealShaker will charge a fee based on a real, satisfied customer. Fees apply only on used or redeemed coupons. The regular advertising fee is 25% off the cash value of the coupon price. However, if you publish a deal in 100% one coupon price, no fee will be charged. The Featured Deals option will give you a higher priority in the deals listing in the Deals category page. Featured deals are also included in the weekly newsletter. You can run a featured deal with minimum 20% cash value of the coupon price. 50% of the cash value of the coupon price will be charged as an advertising fee. So, in this case, if you run a deal for €50 plus 5 OneCoin, after the coupon is used, the featured deals will equal 50% of the cash part of your deal, or 50% of €50 is €25 for each used coupon.